What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. You might have a USB-C port that you're going to use for your headphones. But what if you want to power it too? Well, this little digital audio and fast charging adapter is what you're going to need here. And just a quick unboxing to show you what comes here is this little thing. Oh, it's like anodized aluminum. It's nice hardware. It's got a 2-inch cord right here and USB-C on this end, so that's going to plug into a ton of these common USB-C accessories. And then what you can see here is you can plug in a standard set of headphones, so you got your 3.5mm plug, fits right in there, but because you have another USB-C port right here, you can plug that in there and actually power your USB-C device. Boom. Just like that as well, or even use something else with it too. But it's really awesome to actually have both of these here, especially because USB-C is so popular for powering your device, whether it's computer, headphones, etc. So plug it in, get your audio output, power it too. USB-C is really quite versatile. I'm digging it a lot. Check it out. I'll put a link to this bad boy in the description. Peter from Panda out.